back in the shop is this Atlas GP40 with the M cab on it. Now, this thing has had some problems. So when I loaded in JMRI, I found that for some reason the decoder was almost a factory reset. A bunch of the settings that we had set when we first redid this one were back to defaults, and the speed table had been changed to the 3-position table, and we don't use that one. We use the 28-step one. But the problem is this thing been derailing a lot, and I've checked it. I've got the decoder programmed properly, and now we're going to put it on bridge 15, because supposedly during operations this thing tends to derail where there are curves, and I think I know why, and I think I fixed it, and we are going to attempt bridge 15. Alright, so that's no problem. I've run him over the roughest track I got, and he doesn't have any trouble. Also, his momentum was set back to 0, and we don't want that. We want decel always set to at least 1. And the decel is now set to 1. He doesn't have any trouble. I'm going to show you what I think the problem is. Let's go one more. Alright, now let's bring him back and take a look at him. Alright, so what I think is happening, and we've talked about this problem before. This is an Atlas. Very low profile wheels to the bottom plate here. Now this locomotive runs on code 83 track, so I think we got it. We just had to shave off just the tiniest amount, and actually there's not much to shave off, so I ended up a little hole right here. That's no problem, won't hurt nothing. But I've shaved this down a little bit on both trucks to give just a tiny bit more clearance. And I think on code 83, because it is so tight tolerance, that tiny bit that we took off, maybe a couple thousandths of an inch, makes the difference. Because this guy runs perfect now over all the track, and I ran him through all the switches, and everywhere I thought there was a problem, I ran him through that, and he didn't have any trouble. And I think what we're dealing with is that low profile truck again, where it's just too close to the wheels, and if you are in code 83, you're getting so close to things, especially on a curve. You're getting so close down there that you may actually kind of run aground on that bottom plate. So we just shaved him down a little bit like we've done before. And now he makes bridge 15. So we know he's got the capabilities for curves. He has no problem whatsoever. I don't know if we can run him through the spaghetti bowl, but let's go down here and see if we're set for a spaghetti bowl. I think we just do this and we'll be spaghetti bowl ready. Yeah, see, he makes a spaghetti bowl, and if there's going to be a problem with this kind of thing, it's going to be in the spaghetti bowl. Making our locomotives hit the spaghetti bowl is... Oh! No, not that. Now that's That's my fault. That wasn't his fault. That's my fault because the spaghetti bowl's all beat up and we need to do some work on it. But we can run them back through there. We'll bring them back again. Let's go nice and slow. Okay. Yeah, we got a spot right here where we are going off the track right back there on this rear truck. See if we can figure out why. He goes over it that way, no problem. So let's see if we can get down here and check it out. Let's see if we can see if there's anything happening. Okay, he's coming through. I'm watching the wheels. Ah, there. There it is, right there. That's where he was slipping off. Right here. And that means we have a track problem, not a locomotive problem. See if we can figure out where. There's one. Ah, there we go. Right here he slips off. Then he goes on. Okay. So we got to fix this spot on the spaghetti bowl, definitely. And I can see right now that there's a hump there. We can deal with that. Otherwise, it's working good. And shaving down the bottom plate is a thing you may have to do on some of your locomotives. I think we're going to call them.